Hi, kamusta Marco?
Hi, kamusta?
Kamusta? Pang ilang movie mo na itong The Caretaker?
Actually, hindi ko talaga alam kung pang ilang movie ko siya exactly. But yeah, I've done a few movies naman na before.
So ano yung aabangan namin sa iyo dito dahil horror ito? Ano yung,
Well, dito,
yung role?
hindi siya yung typical na Marco na character na maraming lines, madaming sinasabi, and medyo magaslaw. Yung role ko dito, I'm gonna play the role of Gani dito sa Caretakers. And kakaiba siya kasi ano siya, nonchalant, and ano siya, parang there's always something going on his head na hindi niya masabi-sabi. Na alam niya lang yung feeling but hindi niya ma-express.
So parang may challenging yung role mo.
It's challenging kasi sobrang konti lang din ang lines ko, but when I speak, it's all about kung ano yung nasa behind nung kung yung bahay na inaalagaan namin. So it's more of about nature siya, yung life of nature. So ayun, medyo kakaiba talaga yung role na to.
Sinong mas madalas mong ka-eksena rito? Si Dimples o si
Well, mami ko dito si Miss Dimples. So, ayun, kami yung pamilya kulot. So, siya talaga yung madalas ka-eksena.
Kamusta katrabaho si Miss Dimples, Roman?
Guys, I'm telling you, sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam katrabaho si Miss Dimples. There's a lot of things to learn from her. Ang dami ko talaga natutunan while working with her. And sobrang light niya kasama, but kapag eksena na, talagang na-feel ko na nag-iba yung character niya. Yun yung gusto ko rin ma-adapt sa work ethic.
Not giving too much, but is she strictong nanay na dito? Or mapagmahal ba na nanay? Or
Sa movie po?
sa movie.
Sa movie,
Secret ba?
secret pero I would say weird na nanay.
Okay. Yun mo siya dinidescribe.
Yeah, doon ko siya.
Pero kabaliktaran niya behind the scene.
Behind the scenes, super kabaliktaran talaga. As in, sobrang daldal niya, ang kulit niya, sobrang saya talaga kasama sa set.
So parang medyo nahiwalay ka sa love team ngayon dito.
Yeah,
kay Ashley.
Actually, ka-eksena ko si Ashley, pero hindi ko siya ka-love team. I mean, kasi sa mga past few projects ko, kapag
magkasama din kayo dito?
Yeah, magkasama rin kami dito ni Ashley. Pero sa past few projects ko, nakasama ko si Ashley. Love team kasi yung atake namin eh. But this time, strangers, completely strangers. But we had our moments together. But it's more about, yun nga, ano nga ba yung tinatago ng bahay na yun.
So kamusta naman parang ikaw yata naging escort nung kanyang di ba? Nung kanyang debut last time.
It was fun. It was really fun. I mean, grateful ako na ako yung naging escort niya. And I mean, it's all about her naman during that night. So I'm just happy to be part of that.
Nagsisimula na yung parang you work together and then you don't work together. Pero kamusta ba? Ikaw ba bilang si Marco na nagsimulang di ba yung child actor, ngayon medyo teens na. Ano ba yung gusto mo makilala ka? You want to be successful with your ka-love team or you want to become yung parang a solo artist that an actor, parang ganyan?
Yeah, I mean, with everything naman na natatamasa ko, I'm really grateful, I'm really happy. But if papapiliin ako na kung ano talaga yung career path na gusto ko, I'm pretty flexible naman when it comes to that part. As long as I'm doing my best, I'm trying to put in the work. That's what really matters for me. So I'm really happy na ngayon, even sa show na to, hindi kami magka-love team as, and nagkaka-work kami. And not to mention, meron pa kaming maka na
Oo nga, yung maka niya.
So I'm just really happy and I'm just trying to do my best project.
Ngayong 18 na si Ashley, kumbaga, syempre, legal na rin yung kanyang may plans ba to level up dun sa friendship? Parang ganun.
Well, as of the moment naman, I mean, we're pretty open naman when it comes to this kind of topic. So, as of now, wala pa naman sa amin yung mga ganung bagay. I mean, we're happy, we're really close, sobrang close namin. And of course, life is a continuous process. I'm still in the process naman of knowing her. And ayun, medyo, kumbaga, ang focus din naman namin ni Ashley is career namin. So, hindi naman din namin sinasara yung pinto. Whatever may happen will happen. Diba? So, ayun naman, I'm just happy with our current...
Hindi ka ba natatakot na maunahan ng iba? Balita ko, may ibang mga ali-aligid na kapatid daw ng Bini, ganyan, na gustong, ano siya, ikaw ba may ganun kang ano na may fear na?
Well, since my intentions naman po for her is pretty genuine naman, you know, friendship. Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa naman naiisip yan, and I'm pretty sure naman if kung para naman talaga kami sa isa't isa,
Wow.
para naman talaga kami. But right now, I'm not trying to force anything, and I'm happy sa kung saan siya masaya.
Sige, please invite them na panoorin itong Caretakers.
What's up, guys? Iniimbitahan ko kayong manood ng The Caretakers on cinemas. Sorry. What's up, everyone? This is Marco Massa at iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin ang The Caretakers on cinemas nationwide.
Thank you, Marco.